people. So again, it is a Friday afternoon, and I'm now going to be rushing to go and pick up my child. And since yesterday I've been doing intermittent fasting. I'm feeling so good. It's like I pretty much I didn't that's what they say, you should have an early dinner, and then now it's going to be lunchtime. It's 2 actually. It's going to be 2, but I've yet to break my fast. But apparently during the shooting of this movie, I mean Disha Patani, during her that movie, the with Aditya Roy Kapoor, that movie, whichever movie that was, Malang, Disha Patani would eat her first meal of the day at 4 in the afternoon. I can't even imagine that, yeah. So anyway, but yeah, it looks like today I might end up doing that. So I intend to look like Disha Patani, a chubbier version of her, but I mean chubbier version. So anyway, so that's what people. I have to rush now to pick up my kid. So but I always like to kind of touch base with you folks, and I've been reading that book now, How to Be a Boss. I'm going to carry it with me because it is such an amazing book to read. Yeah, so this is already a 1 minute video. I will catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.